We're at my favorite store, Burlington. I love shopping at Burlington, especially their home decor and also for the kids. They have like really nice stuff. Of course, I'm gonna start off with the baby section because I'm looking for something for my baby girl. She's a little grown now, so she can't fit into her clothes that she had, so I'm looking for something for her. These are baby blankets. If you're in the market for baby blankets, they really have nice ones. This is a whole set with like the socks and stuff, and it's only $8 and it's super soft. I think this is like for boys, and here they got one too. It's just a blanket, $5. It's really nice. If you're in the market for baby hangers and stuff, they got that too. They got everything baby related. They have like a little section that's like dedicated to babies, which is called the Baby Depot. So, and they got these little cute Charlie Brown plush dolls. What about the shoes? They got lots of kids shoes for reasonable prices. This is like $14. This would be so cute, like for Eid and stuff. Oh, this one, look at this. $14 for this? I would say for less, but it's cute though. There's more Hello Kitty stuff here. $11 for this shirt? You gotta be kidding me, that's too much. For just the shirt itself? Yeah, that's too much. I know it has the Hello Kitty and stuff, but $11 for this shirt? That's too much. But anyways, look at this dress for little girls. And lots of bathroom storage stuff. $17. It used to be $35. This is a little nice. Most of my blankets for my kids and the ones we use for our beddings and stuff from Burlington, they have really nice ones. This one is like 20, what is this? I think this is a king size for $23. Yeah, it's a king size blanket. It's super soft. And $23, you can't beat that. And this one too, I think is a king size. Yes, it's another king, and it's the same price, $23. And these ones right here, Talia Sodi, I think. Yeah, king size blankets, $25. These are so cute. I'm actually liking this one. The texture is just so soft. They have way more stuff here. And they got the towels too, so don't forget that. And also they have the comforter sets right here. $35 for this one. It's a king size comforter set. They have it in white, beige, and gray. Yeah, these stuff would be nice for Ramadan. These outdoor cup sets and stuff, I think that would be nice. And this one right here, oh my god, this glass pitcher, $4 for this. Yeah, right there. I think I saw something similar to this at Kroger and it was $10. So $4 at Burlington. They have that texture one and they have another one right there. And their glasses too. Mashallah. It also has a storage containers for your refrigerators if you like to organize your refrigerators. They have food storage containers, and these are you can put your vegetables and fruits in it too. They have lots more containers. This is like what, $4, but this is super light. I feel like if I were to buy this it would immediately be broken at home, but if you're into these type of stuff, then you could find it less at Burlington. $5, $4.99. One is $3.99, $4.99. They got more storage, like if you want to organize your plastic bags, the quarter size, snack size, sandwich, gallon size bags, and they're only like how much? $13. This one is like $6, but this is like a a tray where you can put your forks and spoons and stuff in there. Ooh, and this one, it's how much? $10 for that one. They also have their curtain rods. I bought all of my curtain rods from here, Burlington. I love their curtain rods. They're very strong and they're cheaper. And they also got the curtains to go along with that. I bought lots and lots of curtains from Burlington. I love Burlington. If you're like me, let me know in the comment section. Ooh, I like this. The gold. Well, I'm normally into blue. I love the color blue, so anything blue, I would just buy it. They also have a section where you can buy like rugs and stuff. Sometimes they have a really nice rugs. This would be nice for like the kids if you have a girl or boy's bedroom. Oh, they got pink one too, like around your vanity area where you do your makeup and stuff. If you could put this, like, this would be so cute. Look at their mirrors. I like this arch mirror. It's like $80 for this one. This is really nice. They got it in gold and black. Lots of decorative pillows. How much are these? Let me see. $20 for 2 pillows. And the blankets, the throw blankets. So of wall frames. Ooh, I like that one. And that glitter one, that would be nice. They got lots and lots of wall frames, depending on how big the frame is. This one in particular is like $40. It's 2 pieces though. About to go home. We're done for the day. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. And if you guys would like to see more videos like these where I just walk around the store and show you guys around, let me know in the comment section. I'll be glad to make more videos like that. Thanks for watching. Bye.